Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I know that everyone has been very bored at home, especially the kids. And we all know if the kids get bored,
Oh no!
and we all know that the #1 thing to do to kill the boredom of the kids is to take them to the happiest place on earth, Disneyland! But we all know that we cannot bring the kids to Disneyland because of the current situation. Instead, you can bring Disneyland at home by recreating the famous Disneyland churros. Now, a few days ago, Disneyland released their world-famous recipe for their Disney Parks churros. So that's what we're going to try today. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the red subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit the bell notification icon to see more videos like this. Okay, now if everyone's ready, let's get into it.
Here are the ingredients. 1 cup of water, a tablespoon of butter, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 eggs, 1 1/2 cups of vegetable or canola oil, 1/2 cup of sugar, 3/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon.
First, combine water, butter, salt, and 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon in 1 1/2 quart saucepan over medium heat. Bring pot to rolling boil. Second, reduce heat to low. Third, add flour and stir vigorously until mix forms a ball. Remove from heat and let rest for 5 to 7 minutes. Add eggs, one at a time, and stir until combined. Heat oil in medium skillet and 1 quart saucepan over medium heat, or until temperature reaches 350 degrees. Sixth, spoon dough into piping bag fitted with a large star tip. Pipe 1-inch strips of dough over saucepan. Cut with knife and drop into hot oil. Repeat until churro bites fill saucepan with room to fry. Fry churro bites until golden brown. Remove with slotted spoon or mesh spider strainer. Drain churro bites on paper towel. Mix sugar and 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon in medium bowl. Toss in churro bites until coated. Place on serving plate and serve with favorite dipping sauce. There you go guys, we've finished our churros. Look at that. I think this is going to be very yummy. Exactly the same as that of Disneyland. And the best thing about churros is you can let your imagination roam free and make a lot of shapes and sizes as we did here. We made small ones, chunky ones, long ones, and the really big ones.
Wow.
And of course, my absolute favorite, the heart. Now it's time for my favorite part, the tasting. Let's do it. You choose yours, I choose mine. I'll take the long one. There you go. Okay? Cheers. Ooh, look at that. Mmm. Pretty good, guys. Pretty good. Okay guys, now is this churro recipe exactly the same as that of what you can find in Disneyland? If so, leave a comment down below and tell us what you think. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the red subscribe button down below and hit the bell notification icon for more videos like this. Bye!
Oh no!